So when we say consistency, it means that you need to do your content every single day. Because if you don't do your content, the algorithm doesn't keep pushing you forward. And there is so much going on social media platforms that if you only do one video a day, then forget it. You're going to fall behind and everybody else's content is just going to keep pumping through. And that's the reason why you've got to do 3, because the minute one is forgotten, then you've got the next one and then the next one and the next one. So they punch through all the time. So it's consistency. You need to do your 3 contents every day. So it's not about the digital products being a terrible product. So those people out there that are talking about, oh, how bad the legacy group is and how bad the legacy program is, it's not that. It's because they're not getting their content done and they're not having the confidence in themselves, and they're probably 9 out of 10 times not doing the e-learning modules. See, if you're consistent in the digital online business, you are going to make sales. Sooner or later, someone is going to relate to you, someone is going to relate to your situation, someone's going to relate to your content, and they're going to want to invest in your digital products. And that's why I encourage our digital online products, because they are 100% profit. I don't need to share it with anybody. That's what I love. Like in my real estate business, I don't share commission with anyone, so I'm used to that. So I don't want to compromise on my digital profits either. So the second thing is that you get so much training, so much support. There are like literally 3 webinars every week. Worldwide, anywhere, wherever you are, you can hop on and you can listen to the webinars. Live webinars as well as replays. So there's absolutely no reason why a person cannot succeed. Honestly, if you're not going to succeed, it's because you're holding yourself back. So why wait? Why wait when you can actually get a digital product that gives you 100% profit, gives you complete support, gives you free training, and gives you a full automation in the business? And yes, we say to you, you don't need tech skills. That's because you do not have to have a degree, or you do not have to be a professional. You don't need to be a big influencer, all of that. Like me, I had no tech skills. I had no knowledge of the digital online business. Of course, I knew a little bit about Facebook because I had a Facebook, but TikTok, I knew absolutely nothing. And I want to tell you, this brain of mine is 56 years old, and it was easy for me to learn all the content, tricks and tools and software on TikTok. So there's no reason why you can't learn. I definitely encourage anyone, regardless of your age, you can earn money on digital online businesses as long as you have a good high-in-demand digital product, which we have because it's e-learning modules. E-learning modules are so high in demand. The second thing is you've got to be coachable. If you're willing to be coachable, there is no reason why you'll be held back. So come guys, stop waiting, stop procrastinating, stop wasting time. Join the digital online business. If you've been thinking about it, what's holding you back? Drop a ready in the comments below. I want to help you. I want to get you to succeed at your digital online business and do it together with me. I'd love to help you and support you. Drop ready in the comments below. God bless.